Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by turning gesture typing on so you can glide across keys. Open Settings, then Languages and Input. Choose your current keyboard app, like Gboard. Once selected, find Glide or Gesture Typing and enable it. If the keyboard asks for permissions, grant only what's necessary. You're enabling the feature now so you can practice immediately. Make sure the active keyboard shown at the top matches the one you configured. This first step unlocks continuous input, instead of tapping each key individually. Now practice forming words with continuous motion. Start at the first letter, drag to each subsequent letter, and lift only after the last letter. Once done, glance at the suggestion strip and either tap the spacebar or the suggested word to accept. This improves accuracy over time. Make sure to keep pressure light and speed steady. Fast, jerky motions reduce recognition. If you mess up, use the backspace key or trace from the delete icon to erase quickly. Repeat common words until the keyboard predicts reliably. Finish by tailoring settings. Open your keyboard preferences and adjust glide sensitivity, autocorrection strength, and personalization so predictions match your style. If gestures stop working, make sure no screen protectors or cases impede swiping. Then clear the keyboard app cache or switch to another keyboard to isolate the problem. If issues persist, restart your phone and, only if needed, reinstall the keyboard app. One key troubleshooting tip: test after each change so you know which action fixed the problem.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.